Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a curious young girl named Mia. One day, she discovered a peculiar orange tree that grew the most vibrant oranges she had ever seen. Mia was fascinated by the tree, but she never knew where it came from. She decided to embark on a journey to find the mysterious orange tree's origins. With her backpack filled with supplies, Mia set off on her adventure. As she walked, she encountered a wise old man who was tending to his garden. Mia asked him about the orange tree, and the old man told her a story. Long ago, the old man began, there was a magical being named Sola. She had the power to create fruits with unique properties. One day, she created an orange tree that would bear the most delicious and radiant oranges ever seen. Mia listened intently as the old man continued. Sola placed the tree in this very village, hoping that it would bring joy and nutrition to its people. Over time, the tree grew and multiplied, but the villagers never knew its history. Mia thanked the old man for sharing the story and continued her journey. She finally reached the source of the orange tree, a hidden grove tucked away in the heart of the forest. Upon finding the grove, Mia saw rows upon rows of orange trees, each one more beautiful than the last. She felt a sense of awe and gratitude for the magical creation that had been shared with her village. Mia returned to her village, eager to spread the story of the orange tree and its origins. The villagers were amazed and grateful to learn about Sola and the magical orange tree. From that day on, they cherished the oranges and shared them with their neighbors, spreading the joy and nutrients far and wide. In the end, Mia's curiosity had led her to a life-changing discovery. The orange tree was not just a tree, but a symbol of generosity, magic, and the power of knowledge. Mia learned that by asking questions and seeking answers, we can uncover the wonders of the world and make a positive impact on our community. So, the next time you bite into a juicy orange, remember Mia's journey and the magical being that brought this delightful fruit to us. Let it remind you to seek knowledge, appreciate the wonders of nature, and share the joy with others.